We are all seriously concerned and sad about the devastation caused in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh. We only urge upon the government to have proper coordination between the state and central governments and do what all is needed to rescue the people, provide them relief, and subsequently take up rehabilitation. The BJP will extend full support to the state and central governments in this regard and only hope that they will do whatever is required. Friends, today there is another disturbing news. The rupee has touched an all-time low. 60 rupees a dollar. Under the great economist Prime Minister, economist Finance Minister, economist Planning Commission Deputy Chairman, the rupee has fallen to an all-time low. The debt burden will increase. The cost of imports will increase. The current account deficit will increase. We already have fiscal deficit, trade deficit, revenue deficit, governance deficit, above all trust deficit. That is the reason the growth is slowed down. And the government is totally clueless about the same. That's why the country is looking for an alternative. Wherever you go, the discussion is on that this government should go and BJP should be back. Because country is totally disillusioned with this lackluster performing government, policy paralysis and lack of leadership resulting in slowdown of the growth. This is the issue which is agitating the people along with corruption, along with the price rise, along with other burning issues. That's why people want a change and change for better. The Congress party, knowing fully well that it cannot answer any of these challenges and being aware of the fact that people are looking towards BJP, they are now trying to divert the attention of the people from the real issues, the failures of the UPA government, and then try to bring in their own old rag or rog, I don't know. Rogamu. Rogu means क्या है ना हिंदी में? बीमारी. हाँ, वही रोग. हाँ, वही कह रहा हूँ. Rag. So, whenever the Congress is in danger of losing power, not able to defend its failures, not able to answer the queries, the Congress always brings the issue of secularism to the fore. That is their old rag. Is it because of danger to secularism the rupee value has gone down? Is it because of the danger to secularism that prices have gone up? Is it because of the danger to secularism inflation has gone up? Fiscal deficit has come, revenue deficit has come, trade deficit has come. Current account deficit have come. Rupee tumbling down. Foreign exchange reserves getting depleted. For the first time in the country, per capita debt is more than per capita income. 37,135 rupees is the per capita income. 37,668 rupees is the per capita debt. This is not my figure. It's a figure given by the government in Rajya Sabha. I think to Prakash's question. 37,135. 37,668. And for the first time, you have an interest payment of 3,60,000 crores. First time, your debt has crossed your foreign exchange reserves in the recent years. And first time, this 60 rupees a dollar. It was 40 to 44 rupees during our regime. And by the great work done by this government, inclusive development, it has now reached 60 rupees. Having tried all tricks, they said that they will go for Aadhaar card. That proved to be Niradhar. Janadhar Bada Nahi. Then they have gone for cash transfer, hoping it will convert into vote transfer. But it is leading to regime transfer now. Now they thought that they can expand their base by expanding the cabinet, by inducting all the young people of 87, 86, 80, 76, 75 years, all young team. That expansion is not taking place. Cabinet is expanded, but political expansion is not coming forth. Having failed in all these efforts and also organizing a big sponsored programs of publicity, प्रायोजित कार्यक्रम है हिंदी में प्रायोजित है हाँ दूरदर्शन में कभी कभी सुनता हूँ मैं प्रायोजित कार्यक्रम sponsored programs, they have proved to be damn squib. Now they have decided to convert the debate from development to secularism and started giving certificates. That is the irony. And some of my friends who were in the non-Congress front all these years, they are now expressing thanks to Congress party for giving that certificate. I am reminded of the old story which I read during my school days. सकून आ गया ऐसा कहा उन्होंने. सकून नहीं वो सिकुन है. सिकुनम होता है ना, bad woman. I am reminded of the history which I studied. The Catholic priests those days in Constantinople, in Rome, they used to sell Papa Parihara Patra. People used to go, pay money and get that patra, then all your sins are gone, absolved. So like that now, the Congress party is giving certificates, secular. And who are the people who are giving this certificate? The party which has aligned with the Muslim League, which is responsible for the partition of the country and brought it to the central cabinet. Even Nehru could not do it. Did not do it. Madam Indiraji did not do it. This government. The party which has aligned with Majlis Ittihad al-Muslimin in Hyderabad, ruling the Hyderabad city even today, with the support of rank communal fundamentalist organizations like MIM, and the party which talks of communal reservation. That party is giving certificates to other parties and then calling us as communal. And they are saying that they are supporting the JDU because to keep the communal forces at bay. Where is the debate? The debate is, entire country is debating about lack of growth, about loss of opportunities, loss of jobs, corruption, scams, scandals. That is the debate. People want a decisive leader, a dynamic leader, a development-oriented leader. That is the debate. Because they are lacking in the Congress party, they are now trying to divert the attention of the people from these burning issues to the issue of secularism versus communalism. Secondly, some of the people who could not digest the growth of BJP, they are also now joining the chorus as usual. नहीं नहीं, ये तो कांग्रेस जाए तो अभी बीजेपी आएगा नहीं, फिर कौन आएगा? थर्ड फ्रंट आएगा, तीसरा मोर्चा. People have seen this third front से tried and failed experiment. और कुछ लोग नया नाम, थोड़ा बोरिंग हो गया थर्ड फ्रंट सुन के, इसलिए कुछ लोगों ने नया नाम लाया, फेडरल फ्रंट. ये थर्ड फ्रंट और फेडरल फ्रंट ये सब कुछ एक ही है ना, वही लोग है ना. ये पुराना प्रयोग है, प्रयोग पूरी तरह विफल हो गया. देश के सामने जो उदाहरण है वो यूनाइटेड फ्रंट, वो पहले नेशनल फ्रंट, वो नेशनल फ्रंट बन गया मामला. उसके बाद एक यूनाइटेड फ्रंट आया, वो डिवाइड फ्रंट हो गया मामला. देवगौड़ा जी गए और गुजराल जी गए एक्सपेरिमेंट पॉलिटिकली. और उसके बाद थर्ड फ्रंट आया, जिन्होंने तीसरा मोर्चा खोला, उन्होंने शाम को 5 बजे ममता जी के साथ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके राष्ट्रपति उम्मीदवार घोषणा करके 9 बजे कांग्रेस का समर्थन घोषणा कर दिया. साइकिल में बैठ के चले गए. थर्ड फ्रंट, उन्होंने थर्ड फ्रंट, आपको याद होगा कौन, किसके बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. फिर ऐसा लोग इस देश में कोई हम विकल्प बनेंगे, थर्ड फ्रंट होगा, फोर्थ फ्रंट होगा, फेडरल फ्रंट होगा. और मैं ये भी मजाक में नहीं कह रहा हूँ मित्रों, मैं गंभीरता से कह रहा हूँ. लैंग्वेज वगैरह थोड़ा वर्ड से तो उसके कारण से आपको ऐसा लगा होगा, मगर गंभीरता से कह रहा हूँ. देशवासियों को भी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, थोड़ा गंभीरता से सोच लो. तमिलनाडु में डीएमके और एडीएमके एक साथ नहीं जा पाएगा, ठीक है, निर्विवाद है. आंध्र प्रदेश में तेलुगु देशम वाईएसआर कांग्रेस एक साथ नहीं जा पाएगा. केवल तेलुगु देशम वाईएसआर कांग्रेस नहीं, तेलुगु देशम वाईएसआर कांग्रेस और तीसरा टीआरएस एक साथ नहीं जा पाएगा. एक दूसरे के बारे में इतना आक्रोश से बोल रहे. बंगाल में वामपंथी और तृणमूल कांग्रेस एक साथ नहीं जा पाएगा. उत्तर प्रदेश में मायावती जी और मुलायम सिंह जी, दोनों जी एक साथ नहीं जा पाएगा जी. झारखंड, बिहार में लालू जी और नीतीश जी एक साथ नहीं जा पाएगा. फिर कौन है जी वो जी, सो साथ मिलकर जाने वाली जी, बताइए जी. यही सवाल है देश के सामने. कैसा बनेगा तीसरा फ्रंट, कैसा बनेगा फेडरल फ्रंट, नेता कौन है, अनुभव क्या बता रहे. इसलिए देश को एक राष्ट्रीय विकल्प चाहिए. A national and a nationalist party and a national party can only be an alternative. That's why the debate is on. Friends, I can share with you. Recently, I started in Andhra Pradesh, deep south, where the party is not that much strong, Praja Chaitanya Sadassu, People's Awareness Conventions in all districts. I have covered so far 12 districts. And the upsurge I am seeing in favor of the BJP, only for parliament. Parliament ke liye BJP. This is the slogan, and that's how people are responding. Amazing. Even our party people are surprised. That is the mood of the country. And you have seen yesterday, वो कोई प्रायोजित कार्यक्रम नहीं है. आपने हेडलाइंस टुडे एक चैनल देखा होगा, उसमें एक एजेंसी ने अपना सर्वे का डिटेल्स दिया.